Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the deck and doing the first tactile checks: belts, pinch roller, and capstan. Use a clean swab with 90% isopropyl to remove oxide from the heads. This restores contact and reduces modulation. Once done, visually inspect the tape path and tape guides for wear or bent guides that cause lateral movement. Make sure the cassette shell is intact and the hub spins freely. Replace or rehouse the tape if the spool binds or skips. You now tackle mechanics. Remove the deck cover and test the capstan and flywheel under power. If you find belt stretch, install a replacement of the same size and material to restore stable speed. A slightly loose belt equals wow. Once fitted, check for smooth capstan rotation and apply tiny amounts of light oil to bearings only. Excess oil attracts dirt. Then, realign tape guides and the pressure pad so the tape tracks squarely across the head, improving wow and Flutter performance. You finish by calibrating speed and verifying results. Play a test cassette or a recorded audio loop and listen for pitch wavering while watching a strobe or using a simple FFT app. If Flutter remains, increase hub tension slightly or replace the idler/motor. Sometimes the only way is component swap. Make sure the tape itself isn't creased or loose on the hub, because no deck fix cures a damaged tape. If problems persist, try another known good cassette to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.